When the tree is hazardous, often there's a structural problem. It may have died from a disease, may have sustained some severe root damage during construction. We do need to remove the tree. Safety is number one when you're removing a tree here in the city, in your property, next to your house. We do it in a manner to ensure that nothing is damaged, be it your house, the landscape. Do it in a manner that's not going to impact the surroundings at all. All the branches, all the wood material is lowered by ropes. We're using advanced rigging techniques, whether it's ropes, pulleys, winches, crane removal, whatever's required to ensure the safety of the removal, to ensure it's done in a proper way and it's not going to impact your property or the surroundings or cause any damage to anything in the process. This is a very important aspect of tree removal, and we take this work quite seriously.